Welcome to Timi's tiny world. Yay! Baby fish goes swish, swish, swish. Tiny tail makes a little wish. Timi smiles by the blue sea. Come and swim along with me. Bubbles rise and shimmer bright, dancing in the ocean light. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Swim along the wavy beat. One baby fish swims slow, 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 gliding where the sea plants grow. Two baby fish go swish so fast, zipping by the rocks they pass. Three baby fish spin around, making circles in the ground. Four baby fish jump up high, splashing water to the sky. Five baby fish wiggle near, playing games with ocean cheer. Timi laughs and waves hello. Swim with me, come on, let's go! Swim, swish, swish, swim with me. Happy fish in the deep blue sea. Wave your hands and move your feet. Feel the ocean's gentle beat. Swish your tail from side to side. Take a little ocean ride. Timi sings so joyfully. Swim like fish so happily. Baby fish hides behind a shell. Peeks out slow like can you tell? Little crab goes click, click, clack, walking on the sandy track. Starfish glows upon the ground, quiet smile without a sound. Jellyfish goes float, float high, like a balloon that touched the sky. Baby fish goes zoom, zoom quick, through the coral bright and thick. Timi claps beside the shore. Let's all swim and play some more. Swim, swish, swish, swim with me. Happy fish in the deep blue sea. Wave your hands and move your feet. Feel the ocean's gentle beat. Swish your tail from side to side. Take a little ocean ride. Timi sings so joyfully. Swim like fish so happily. Now the waves go up and down. Lift the fish and spin around. Swim up high and swim down low. Watch the ocean colors glow. Clap once slow and clap once fast. Make the swimming moment last. Timi laughs and splashes free. Ocean fun for you and me. Swim, swish, swish, swim with me. Happy fish in the deep blue sea. Wave your hands and move your feet. Feel the ocean's gentle beat. Swim together, one big team, like a happy ocean dream. Timi smiles so joyfully. Great job swimming, just like me. Sun goes down, the sea turns gold. Baby fish swims calm and slow. Timi waves and says good night. Oh, ocean dreams till morning light.
Great job, little learners! If you had fun with Timi's Tiny World, give this video a like, subscribe for more learning songs, and share it with your friends. See you in the next adventure!